Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to use a laptop as a hotspot. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now I'll go to this Wi-Fi icon on the bottom right. And over here you can see I am connected to my Wi-Fi speed. To turn on hotspot, you can see here is mobile hotspot. Click on this. And you can see my hotspot is on. Now I'll just right click and go to setting, and you can use your own name and password by going to this edit, and you can see you can write your name over here. I have written my name and also your password, and use your bandwidth as 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. If you are using for a small place, you can go with 5 GHz. And if you want for far places, you can go with 2.4 GHz and just save. And you can see it will restart your hotspot, and after that you find this name of your hotspot on a device where you want to use. So in this way we can convert our laptop to hotspot. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.